My name is Peter Clancy, and I make comedy sketches and operate a small video production company outside of Chicago. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 3 types of equipment that you absolutely need if you're looking to start making sketch comedy videos or short films in general. Previously, I've only ever posted sketch comedy on this channel. However, it's been recommended to me that we make our content more approachable. How to is a hell of a lot better than Elevator Fart 4. We're giving this a try. The first thing I want to say about production value when it comes to comedy is that it's not as important as other genres. In a lot of ways, shooting your video lower quality can actually make it funnier because it immediately conveys a sense of lightheartedness. Going too high quality can make it sterile and too dramatic and distract from the jokes. However, you can also run that risk with going too low quality. If the viewer's focusing on glaring imperfections like scratchy audio or bad lighting, they're not going to be able to focus on the joke. Basically, there's an art in doing just enough. That's why the absolute best piece of equipment you can buy if you're just starting out are the Rode Go 2 wireless lavs. They retail for $300. The audio quality is good, but more importantly than that, they are super convenient. Audio is the most important thing when filming comedy. With these lavs, you can record audio from multiple speakers by just plugging straight into the camera. They're free to walk around the room and do whatever they want, and you're able to adjust levels manually on the receiver. I've used other lavs before. I've used lavs that plug into something like this, like an external recorder, but the problem with those is that they're bigger, they're less convenient, they're more expensive, and they break a hell of a lot easier. I've dropped these things, they've been fine, and these Rode lavs are just so easy. When you're filming comedy, when you're filming something that you want people to be in a good mood for, the key is to move quickly.
Hold me, gentlemen.
On a smaller scale production where you don't need broadcast quality audio, these are definitely the way to go. The second most important piece of equipment you can have is a camera with good autofocus. Nothing is worse than when an actor gives an awesome performance, but you have to tell them, we need to take that again because you lost focus. Jokes are never as funny the second time around. And if they improv the joke the first time, then you're totally screwed.
Nobody takes a swing at TJ. That's not the voice up.
No, that was perfect. That was really good.
Because the energy is going to be gone, the momentum's going to be gone, and they're going to be frustrated. Having good autofocus allows you to move quickly. It gives you peace of mind when it comes to getting shots. You can mount the camera on a tripod and film yourself. You can give the camera to someone who doesn't have as much filming experience and still trust they'll keep things in focus. It eliminates having to block out scenes to get manual focus set. Basically, it just makes everything easier. Something like the Canon 80D or Sony a7 II would work great. The final piece of equipment I recommend is a 2 to 3 piece lighting kit. You're gonna need lighting. Even if you're shooting everything DIY, even if you're framing near a window, you can shoot the light into the ceiling to raise the ambience of the entire room, or you can throw some diffusion on it and shine it at a subject. I personally use aperture lights. The ones I own are the 120D and the 300X. You can see them, the cases behind me, and they're great for a studio setting, but they are big and unruly. That's why I recommend something like the GVM light kit, which has 2 or 3 lights, so $250 to $350 depending on what you go for. You want something that's quick to set up, quick to move, and quick to tear down. When filming comedy sketches and short films in general, your goal is to free the performers. The more fun they are having, the funnier they are going to be. And nothing kills the fun more than, oh, we lost focus, can we take that again? Oh, the audio was bad, can we take that again? Spending an hour tweaking technical stuff on set while your actors are there leads to actor fatigue and can really negatively affect your final product.
Okay, all right.
Audiences don't really care if your video is cinematic, or at the very least, not being cinematic won't affect them negatively. They just want to laugh. I'm not trying to say you shouldn't add production value to your sketches. To the contrary, I love adding production value to ours where it's appropriate, but doing so requires a lot of pre-planning and patience, and sometimes that is not worth just going out and filming something funny.
Oh, look who it is. It's the lads.
The equipment I've talked about makes the technical side of the filming process as efficient as possible while still getting quality audio and video. Subscribe if you want to see our comedy sketches and more videos like this.